Good morning friends. Welcome back to Parnika's tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss what is a variable, how to declare a variable. When you are declaring a variable, what are the rules you need to follow? How can you declare a variable as a constant variable? How can you declare a variable as a volatile variable? So, I will discuss all these concepts in detail. So, I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me define what is a variable. Variable is a data name which stores a data value. Okay. Now, first let me discuss what are the rules you need to follow whenever you are keeping a name to a variable. Always you should keep a meaningful name to the variable. Suppose let's take that in the program you are computing the average. Then for that variable you should always keep a meaningful name. Let's take that you are computing an average. Now that average value you want to store it in a variable. Then you should write a meaningful name AVG in a shortcut, or you should declare it as A average. So you should keep a meaningful name to the variable so that the user can able to understand when they are reading your program. Is it clear? And one more thing, you should follow certain rules whenever you are keeping a name to the variable. Already I have discussed what are the rules you should follow for an identifier. We should follow 5 rules. All those rules is applicable to the variable also. Let me discuss what are the rules and then we will discuss how to declare a variable also. Okay. Now the first rule is that only letters, digits and underscore is allowed to naming a variable. You cannot use any special characters or special symbols in the variable name. And the second rule is that always the first character of a variable should be either character or underscore. You cannot keep the first letter of a variable as a digit. And the third rule is that, okay, you can use the lowercase or uppercase whenever you are naming the variable. Now please remember one thing. If you declare a variable as int a and if you are declaring the variable as int a, both are valid and these two variables will be treated as different. They will not be treated as a single variable called a. This is a small a, this is a capital A, so it will be treated as a two different variables. Okay. And then next rule is that, okay, it should not be a keyword. You cannot use a keyword as a variable name. Suppose let's say that we have a keyword called if. That you cannot use it as a variable. If you write int if, then it will give an error for you. Is it clear? But you can write like this, int if. Now remember one thing, always the keyword should be in the lowercase. So this is a keyword, but this is not a keyword. So if you are declaring int if, this is not a keyword, so it is a valid. Okay. And another thing is that white spaces are not allowed. Suppose let's take that you want to write like Jagadish Kakarla. Okay, this is what the variable name you want to keep. Then you should not write it as Jagadish space Kakarla. You should write Jagadish underscore Kakarla. This is valid. Okay, white spaces are not allowed. Okay, and the next important rule is that it will only consider the first 31 characters only. Even if you give more than 31, it will consider only first 31 characters in the variable. So these are the rules you should follow whenever you are creating a variable. Now let me discuss how to declare a variable. Already I have discussed int average. This is nothing but an AVG is a variable and you are declaring it as an integer data type. But just let me tell you the basic syntax of declaring a variable. You should write data type and the variable name. Okay, this is the way you have to declare a variable. Suppose let's take that you are declaring it as an int v1 comma v2 comma v3. This is valid, where three variables are there whose data type is int. These variables can store the integer values. Remember one thing, whenever you are declaring it as a variable with a corresponding data type, it will tell you two things. One is that what kind of values this variable will store, whether it will store a character constant, whether it will store a real constant, whether it will store a integer constant. All these things will be tell you based on the what data type you are using. If you are using an int, then these variables can store the integer constant. So what kind of value will be stored? Okay, and another thing is that it will tell you amount of memory will be allocated for the variables. Amount of memory will be allocated for the variable also will be depend on what data type you are using. Suppose let's take that you are writing int a and you are compiling this program in a 16-bit compiler, then it will allocate 2 bytes of memory. Okay, 2 bytes means 16 bits. If you are compiling it on a 32-bit compiler, then it will allocate a memory of 4 bytes. Is it clear? So the data type will tell you of a particular variable what kind of value you can store, how much amount of memory will be allocated. So this is about the variable. Now let me discuss about two important things, such as how to make the variable as constant. I forgot to tell one important point. The value in the variable can be changed. Suppose here you have written int a is equal to 10. Till now we have discussed about the integer constants, real constants. There the value of the constants will not be changed, but the value of the variable can be changed. Suppose you have written int a is equal to 10. After that you have written a is equal to 5. If you print the a value, then what is the value will be displayed? Initially you have assigned the a value as 10. So in a memory, the value 10 will be stored in an address location. Suppose let's take that in a 1000 address location, the value 10 is stored with a variable name as a. Later you changed it as 5, so it will be removed and 5 will be stored there. If you are printing the value, 5 will be displayed as an output. Okay, so the variable can change its value, whereas the constant will not change the value. Okay, now let's take that I want to keep a variable as a constant, means the value within the variable should not be changed in the entire program. How can I do it? Okay, suppose let's take that I am writing a void main. Okay, and I am using a keyword called const. Okay, int a is equal to some 10. Okay, and here I am writing a is equal to 5. Then I am writing a statement called printf %d a get ch. Then lot of students will think that, sir, in the previous one without const you have written the same program and you told that it will display the output as 5. So now also the constant will not change much. So a is a variable. Initially we have initialized to 10, later we changing to 5, so it will display the output as 5. If you are thinking like that, it is wrong. Why it is that you are making this variable a as a const, meaning is that you cannot change the value in the variable. So if you are trying to change, it will give an error for you. You are violating the rule of a constant variable. Is it clear? Are you able to understand? If you want to change it, you can simply avoid this const, or you instead of const, you can write it as a keyword called volatile. Then you are permitted to change the value, then it will display the output as 5. Is it clear? So I hope you have understood how to make the variable as a constant with a keyword called const. If you does not write volatile also, it will work as a volatile, meaning is that you can change the value of a variable, but if you want to write it or if you want to practice, you can write it as a volatile. Int means volatile data type, name and some value. That is also valid. Or if it does not write, by default it will be considered as a volatile variable, because the variable can change its value at any time of the program. If you want to restrict, then you can make the variable as a constant. So I hope you have understood what is a variable, what are the rules you should follow when you are declaring a variable, and how to declare the variable. Okay, and then what is about a constant variable, volatile variable, I have discussed. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will always there to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.